Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from the Kraken app. So if you want to withdraw your crypto from Break into a different exchange or a cold wallet or just another wallet in general, here's how you can do that. So first of all, just open the Kraken app. Then you will need to make sure that you own some crypto, otherwise you cannot withdraw it. So in your portfolio right here, as you can see, you will see all your crypto here. As you can see, I don't have any crypto on Kraken, but if you do, then here is how you can withdraw it. So click on the purple crypto button in the bottom. Then here you get a few options, and in the bottom you can see withdrawal cash or crypto. So we want to withdraw the crypto, so click on withdraw. Now as you can see, I don't have any cash or crypto for withdrawal. If you do, let's say you have 10 euros or bitcoin, then you will see that bitcoin and you can choose to withdraw it. Then you just need to enter the address of the wallet that you want to withdraw crypto to and enter all the details, and that's how you can withdraw crypto from the Kraken app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.